Now, starting off, we'll need to brown our beef. So go ahead and throw that in a frying pan. Season it with salt, pepper if you'd like. Mix that in there. Make sure all the meat gets seasoned. And then we're going to brown this for a couple of minutes. After a few minutes, go ahead and add the onions and cook until transparent. While this is going on, you can go ahead and throw your potatoes into boil. Get a pot and fill it up with water. Wait till it boils and go ahead and season the water. Throw your potatoes in and cook until tender, about 10-15 minutes.